Here at MyTopo, we have a new map building system that we're rolling out, and I'd want to briefly show you how to use it. Just click on Start here from the home page, and then you can begin by typing in the name of an address or a location. So just type that in here and select the location from the search results here. Now that brings up the new map building page, and on the right side it shows the map that you're building. On the left side it shows all the different options that you can choose. And if you want to change the location of the map, which in many cases you do, click on this edit icon up here. Click on the blue area, and then you can either click and drag to change the map's location, or you can just click to change the center point of the map. And once you're satisfied with it, click on Save up here. And we can bring these map options back over here. It's probably hard to see this map, so if you move your mouse over it, you see in the lower right corner there, it shows the detail on the map, so you can get an idea of if you're in the right location. You can also zoom in and out here to make sure that you have things right. Now on the left side, you can choose different things like switching to an aerial view. You can change the map zoom level, and you can change the paper size. And as you do these things, the map will change interactively, so you can see exactly what area it's going to cover. You can also change your orientation and add things like the public land boundaries and game management units. Finally, add your grids if you would like them, and change your paper format and the map, whether it's rolled it or fold. And you can click on the preview button here. This will bring up a preview image of the map, so you can make sure it covers what you want. And if that looks good, you can go ahead and add to cart. I'm going to add the shaded relief here as well. But what you see on the preview here is exactly what your map will look like, even though this map over here gives a pretty good representation of that. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to call that good, and I can click on Add to Cart here. It shows all the details, the cost. I'll go to Add to Cart. You can keep configuring if you want to add additional maps, or you can go to View Cart. I already have a couple maps that I've been working on. Finally, you can put in your contact information and proceed to payment, and we will get your maps shipped out to you. So we will keep working on this map building, so feel free to let us know any comments or suggestions that you have. And yeah, have fun making your maps.